Conservator. Outside of law, a conservator usually refers to a professional who restores and preserves historical artifacts or artwork in a museum. In family and probate law, however, it denotes a person appointed to manage the affairs of a vulnerable individual. A conservator is a person legally appointed by a judge to manage the financial and personal affairs of someone who can no longer make safe decisions for themselves. In the UK, Australia, and many US states, this role is often identical to that of an adult guardian or a financial deputy. When an adult suffers from severe cognitive decline, illness, or disability, they may lose the capacity to pay bills, manage investments, or oversee their healthcare. To protect the incapacitated person, a court establishes a legal arrangement known as a conservatorship. The appointed conservator is granted significant legal authority over the individual's estate. However, the conservator remains under strict court supervision. They must file regular financial reports to prove they are managing the assets responsibly and exclusively for the benefit of the protected person. For example, imagine an elderly man who has developed advanced dementia and can no longer balance his checkbook or remember to pay his property taxes. His adult daughter petitions the local probate court to intervene. After reviewing medical evidence of the father's mental decline, the judge officially appoints the daughter as his conservator. The daughter now holds the legal power to access his bank accounts, pay his medical bills, and manage his property. She is legally bound to use his funds solely for his care and living expenses.